Hey, Klaus here, e-commerce business coach. In this video, I will give you a quick tip how you can increase your revenue with every email you send out in your Klaviyo campaigns. So let's dive into it. So first of all, you need to do a initial campaign where you promote a product or your service or whatsoever. And then on the next day, you create a segment of the non-openers of your campaign. So what you do basically is you go in lists and segments, you create a new segment, go up here, and you give the segment a name. So let's say non-openers, and now you know where that is going. Give the whole thing a campaign name like this. And then the definition will be like something like this. So you go in here and then you will choose what somebody has done or not done. You choose has not opened email. So open email 0 time all over time. And then you go in the campaign name of your original list that you had. Let's say we take this one here, for instance. And then obviously you want to choose the list that you have. So you get down here in lists. So let's say we have a list down here. And we want to only send to people who are not suppressed. So we go here and not suppressed. So basically the syntax will be send a campaign to all non-openers that have not opened, there we go, 0 times over all time of this campaign and who are on a specific list and are not suppressed. And then you go and create segments. So that takes a few seconds. And then what you do, see here we have 3,500 people who got the initial email campaign from you, but after 24 hours have not opened the email. You can play with that. You can also do 48 hours, whatever you think is suitable for that, but at least you know that these people have not opened your initial email. Now you go back into campaigns, copy the original campaign, give it a different subject line and send it out to this non-opener segment instead of the initial segment or list that you have sent it through. The reason why that works so well is that a lot of people will skip your email, are too busy, delete it accidentally or whatsoever. So basically sending the same email with a different subject line a day later or 2 days later will activate people who are interested but for some reason did not buy from you in the first place. Works for me each and every time. So with that you can increase the revenue coming from your email marketing quite a bit. Hope that helps. And if you like the video, then like, subscribe, and do all the other stuff. And I see you soon. Bye.